Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We create a solution PY program that can handle variants of our initial problem. We added code to identify the sign of the formula by writing a for loop that identifies it. Today I will create a function that encapsulates this code in our library, then import it in the solution PY and invoking it from here instead. So I will start by moving this code from solution PY to Coding Everywhere library and then create a function. I will say the function is define get f sign, get formula sign. The parameter is formula. I will add colon here, and remember I have to indent the block with the code of the function with 2 spaces, and then I just return the result. The result is in this case f sign. I will save this file and go back here, import that function get f sign and invoking it here. So I will say f sign it's equal get f sign from the parameter formula. I will save solution PY as well, and now we will run the 4 tests that we have. So solution PY, this is the first problem, passed. Then the second problem, passed. Then the third problem, passed. And the fourth one, passed as well. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded.